Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, we're going to Snow Mountain.
We're going to the mountains today. Are you guys excited?
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Well, we don't know if there's going to be snow, but we're hoping there's snow. If anything, we'll just head off to the mountains. How does that sound, Kaya?
That's good.
That's good. Ah! Here, show Jordan. Can you turn it around? Jordan, what do you want to do at the mountains?
Make snowball.
What if there's no snow? What are we going to do? We could run around, go on a hike.
Even hide in the trees.
Well, we could. Oh yeah, they have those big trees we could hide inside of.
So Daddy's in Walgreens.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to pick up emoji stuff.
Tell them what the emoji thing is.
The emoji thing is chocolate donuts.
Say we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Alright, as you guys can tell, we made it up to the mountains. This is exactly the same spot that we came last year, and the year before, and the year before that. Okay, so we came here last year. So if you guys want, go check out the YouTube video for that. It's on the CrunchTube. It was actually our first, it was actually our first CrunchTube video was shot here. This is like 1 year from when we first shot our first CrunchTube video. All right, so I'm actually getting all the lunch ready. We're gonna do a quick little mukbang just like last year. And if you guys know what it is, you know what it is. YKZXYO. But for now, let me get the lunch going because it's lunchtime and we're ready to eat. Getting it ready. And look, they're already over there playing. They're gonna go over there and play. They're gonna go with the slides. Sleds. Hi. Hi. Go to mommy. All right, so check it out. So for lunch, we're gonna be doing momofuku ramen. So this is the spicy soy, and then Jordan's gonna have the soy scallion. So we actually came here last time. This is the exact same spot, and check it out. There's way more snow because last time there was no snow. And our thumbnail was shot right on this log right here. So thank goodness there's more snow this time, because last time there was like nothing, and everything was all wet and slushy, and it was kind of gross. But this time it's way better. All right, so I'm cooking some arabiki sausage. This is like Japanese smoked sausages. I got dumplings going in there because we're gonna be making these noodles. Hi. Oh gosh, is this fun? What are you talking about? Oh, nice. What number is that?
1.
1? You're so smart. All right. Whew. It's perfect. There's like a little tree right here that's providing nice shade, so it's kind of, oh, it's perfect.
Kimchi.
Oh, I brought kimchi. Of course I brought kimchi. Because we're eating ramen.
There's no squirrels in the winter.
Are you still eating? How is it? Is it good? What are you eating? Noodles. Oh yeah. And then we have onigiri with yukari. Jordan, what are you gonna do right now?
Snowball.
Oh my goodness.
Snowball.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we just finished up eating. We're gonna do. We just cleaned up a little bit. Oi. We cleaned up a little bit. Make sure you guys do take all your trash with you. If you guys are gonna bring any trash, take it with you. And we're gonna play in the snow now. We're done with lunch. It's time to play in the snow. All right, are you ready to go sledding? Yeah. Let's go sledding. Come on. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Oh. Hold on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoa! was that?
Good.
Was it good? Oh my gosh, should we go again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We're ready.
Here we go. Hands up. Whew. Let's go. Whoa. 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 We fell down. Okay, and go. Here we go, guys.
Go!
Whoa! We fell down. Okay, here comes Jordan. Watch out. Ready? Here we go. We fell down. Here we go. Watch out, Kaya. Whoa, 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 whoa. Man, it's a good thing that ledge is here. We broke it.
Okay.
Here we go. Woohoo! 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 Whoa! 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 We made it. I won. This thing's getting beat up. Woo. You can definitely tell that you're up in higher altitude. It's harder to breathe. And going up a simple hill is really oh. You guys probably didn't hear that. Kaya, are you ready? Jordan, are you ready? Here we go. Feet up. Whoa! Whoa! All right, Crunch Mom and Crunch Dad time.
I'm ready.
Here we go. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Woo! Whoa! Whoa!
I'm ready, okay?
I'm okay, thank you. Are you okay?
Yeah. Well, that was fun. We broke the sleds. Yeah, it lasted about 3 years or so.
Mommy, it's okay.
Okay.
Put on all of our gloves, and then we could do a snowball fight.
sled it?
Kaya, do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Is it fun or not fun?
It's broken right here.
Oh no. You're right. It's broken. What should we do with it?
Yeah.
What should we do with it?
Figure.
Fix it later?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're gonna play around in the snow for a little bit. We'll catch up to you guys in a little bit later.
Later.
Catch up to you. Oh, oy. Not a big one? You want to take it off now? We should leave it so then the next person to come can play with it, yes? Okay. We're pretty much done. Oh no, this is what Jordan did to his.
No, this is mine.
Oh, oh no. So that was us in the snow. This is a 1 year, almost a 1 year. It might be close to a year anniversary for the CrunchTube. We do this every year. We've been doing it for the last, I think, 3 years now. We've come up to here to this exact same location, had lunch at this exact same spot around the exact same time. So it's kind of a little tradition. And now Crunch Baby's old enough to play. Check it out. She's playing with Snowman. For now, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Oh, bye-bye. Oh, gosh. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
High five. Bye-bye. Oh. Bye-bye.
Look at this.
Bye-bye.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Why are you putting that back on there? Oh, no. Excuse you. Bye-bye.
Acorn stuck on it.
Uh-huh. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
High five. High five one more time. Give everyone a high five.